Making use of this picture. So once you select the share button, you can see where the watermark is. It has been placed there. You don't have any trouble at all. If you are to use the text also, you can see. So you just have to place it, and that should be all. So this picture is appearing, my logo is appearing in the middle because that was the preference that I actually gave it, like the resolution I gave the logo design in order to appear. So if I'm to change this, I'm to either go to the settings and also edit where the logo will be. So that is all for now.